Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the extension toolbar menu on Windows 10, or basically any version of how to enable or disable the extension toolbar menu in the Google Chrome web browser. This should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up Google Chrome if it's not already open. So it doesn't really matter how you want to open it, but just make sure you get it open here. And I'm going to have a URL in the description of the video. It starts with Chrome and ends with menu. Go ahead and copy that and then paste it into the top address bar here, and then you want to search that. So it says Extensions Toolbar Menu enables a separate toolbar button and menu for extensions. So if you want to enable this toolbar, click inside the drop down here and select Enabled. Once it's done, you will need to relaunch the browser, so go ahead and select that. And then next time Chrome opens up, there should be a toolbar view for any extensions you have on your browser. And if you wanted to turn it off, you just would select Disabled or Default. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.